The 7 best water bottle cleaning tablets in 2020. As regular users of water bottles, mugs and other containers, all of us face regular hardships at the prospect of cleaning and getting rid of foul odor from them. Not only this, an outdoor trip brings even more discomfort to maintain good levels of hygiene. Do the high levels of chlorine and bleach in modern-day cleaning solutions have you worried? Are you looking for solutions to health problems posed by these chemicals but to no avail? If yes, then water bottle cleaning tablets are a godsend to your daily life. Water bottle cleaning tablets make it easier to remove those impossible stains and residue in water bottles, making it fresh and odor-free. However, with a wide range of options and price points to choose from, there is palpable confusion about various features and functionalities. We help you to review the best water bottle cleaning tablets out there, and you can decide your favorite ones with ease. But before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our future fascinating videos. 1. Bottle Bright Natural Cleaning Tablets. If you need to find the perfect solution to all your bottle cleaning needs, then Bottle Bright Natural Cleaning Tablets might be the ideal choice. It effectively removes all the stains and residue on your water bottle, while making it look fresh and odor-free. These tablets are biodegradable and environmentally safe, which is great because you can rest assured that no harmful chemicals like chlorine or bleach will cause health effects to you or the environment. This also divests you of any guilt associated with harming the environment. Another great feature of this product is that you can clean just about anything like dishes, containers, bottles and mugs without the need to scrub them. This is great as it saves a lot of hard labor and time required to clean these utensils without cleaning tablets. The cleaning tablets are also packed individually in separate packaging, so that it can be used as and when required without wasting them. This is especially useful while traveling or camping where you need flexibility to clean your water bottles. With a multitude of amazing features, the Bottle Bright Natural Cleaning Tablet is my favorite option to clean up that foul odor from my water bottle. 2. Essential Values Reservoir and Bottle Cleaner Tablets. The Essential Values Reservoir and Bottle Cleaner Tablet is an effective cleaning product to clean just about anything under the sun, quickly and effectively. This product has a citric acid base and employs natural cleaning process, which is great as it protects your family from harsh chemicals and its side effects without the need for scrubbing. Another good feature comes in the form of improvement in taste of water, upon regularly cleaning bottles with the tablets. This helps prevent foul odor and gives the refreshing feeling of a brand new bottle every day. Essential Values Cleaner Tablets might be a good choice for users with a vast range of cleaning needs. 3. Topoko Bottle Cleaning Tablets. Simply let the magic of hydrogen peroxide, baking soda and citrus work its way to your water bottle, with the Topoko Bottle Cleaning Tablets. The product removes the toughest stains from your bottle and cleans it like new, all of this without the use of a scrub. Another feature offered by the tablets is that, it is free from bleaches and chemicals, which is great because most of us use our bottles every day, and this helps to mitigate the risk of ingesting harmful toxins. The Topoko Bottle Cleaning Tablets could be the best fit to anyone looking for a chemical-free cleaning experience without scrubbing the bottle. 4. Ernex Water Bottle Cleaner Tablets. If you were looking to find cleaner tablets, which could be carried to your favorite sporting events in a backpack, we have just found one in Ernex Water Bottle Cleaner Tablets. This product rinses clean without scrubbing, removes stains and works for almost every drinking container effectively. These features help in getting the most value out of the product, while also protecting your loved ones and the environment, as the tablets are biodegradable and free from phosphate. 5. Clean Hike Water Bottle Cleaning Tablets. Clean Hike Water Bottle Cleaning Tablets come in a neat packaging and an FDA-approved tag, while also having antibacterial properties. This helps to use them one at a time, and rest assured of safe and clean drinking water. Another feature that stands out from the rest includes use of plant-based ingredients as well as no requirement of scrubbing, which is great as it can be used easily, while also protecting your loved ones and the environment from toxins. 6. Camelbak Reservoir Cleaning Tablets. Anyone looking for a bulk stock of cleaning tablets at an economical price range can find it in the Camelbak Reservoir Cleaning Tablets. This product has self-dissolving tablets which help to keep the bottle free from foul odor, and cleans it efficiently without a scrub. This is great for saving time and effort to reach the narrow neck of a bottle, and to clean while traveling or camping. 7. FizzWhiz Bottle and Container Cleaning Tablets. FizzWhiz Bottle and Container Cleaning Tablets are unique and proprietary designed cleaning tablets with strong cleaning action at an economical price. This product can clean any food container, or bottle with similar efficacy and minimal effort, which is great, as you just need to buy one product to solve your cleaning needs. Another great feature offered is the deep clean and odor-busting patented technology, that helps in keeping all containers as fresh as they were on day one. Anyone looking for a highly effective cleaning tablet which needs no scrubbing effort, might find FizzWhiz tablets a very favorable option. Things to consider before buying the product. How to choose a cleaning tablet. Water bottle cleaning tablets are commonly available today with great ease of use and peculiar features, that differentiate them from each other. These also come in a range of prices from $2 to $7 for a pack of 10 tablets. Needless to say, tablets with unique features cost more than standard ones. The common functions include biodegradable and environmentally safe, chemical-free, universal application, taste improvement, travel-friendly, easy to use, kills germs and bacteria, FDA approved, country of manufacture. What are the advantages of using the tablets to clean your water bottles? Remove stains and residue. Cleaning tablets can be used to get rid of stains and residue in narrow neck water bottles, which seemed impossible to remove earlier. Safe and natural ingredients. Use of natural ingredients, free of chemicals and bleaches in cleaning tablets, ensures that no chemical residue gets ingested while using the water bottle. Ease of use. Another advantage of a water bottle cleaning tablet is its usage, with minimal manual effort. A tablet can be dropped into a water-filled bottle and after some time, simply rinsed thoroughly to finish the job. This process eliminates the need for manual scrubbing. Portable use while on the go. Smart packaging of individual tablets also ensures that these can be used one at a time while traveling or camping. This encourages minimal wastage and portability to use them as per requirements. Attributes that differentiate water bottle cleaning tablets. Areas of application. While many cleaning tablets can be used to clean tumblers and water bottles, including those made of stainless steel and plastic, a few are specialized for usage on hydration reservoirs, camping containers, or virtually any container you wish to clean. Packaging methods. Water bottle cleaning tablets come in various packaging styles. These include individual packaging wherein each tablet is packed separately, and tab packaging where a group of tablets are packed in one packaging. Separate packaging for each tablet is especially useful for trips, and camping where you prefer cleaning bottles on the go. Environmental safety. Chlorine, bleach and other chemicals are some of the ingredients commonly used in water bottle cleaning tablets. However, some tablets are biodegradable and come without these additives. This ensures zero harm to our fragile ecosystem, and are essentially 100% environmentally safe. Personal safety. Another aspect of using environmentally safe cleaning tablets is personal safety. There is a high risk of ingesting chemicals like bleach, upon using chemical-laden cleaning tablets on your bottles. Using biodegradable tablets eliminates this risk, and ensures good health and personal safety. Ease of use. Most cleaning tablets do not require any scrubbing to get rid of stains, bad odor and bacteria from your bottle. You can simply drop a tablet after filling up the bottle with water, and rinse after some time, to make your bottle as fresh as the first day. However, some tablets do need a moderate amount of scrubbing before a rinse. Taste enhancement. Plant-based ingredients which enhance the taste of water with regular cleaning, are also commonly present in cleaning tablets. These tablets ensure no subsequent odor, and stain buildup for a long time after a wash. Other categories of tablets do not guarantee any enhancements to water taste. Budget. Since cleaning bottles and containers never stops, and is an ongoing process throughout the bottle's life cycle, budget plays an important role in choosing the best product for you. Tablets which are biodegradable and phosphate-free, are priced higher than chemical-laden ones. Prices also differ according to features, like taste enhancement and country of manufacture. the recurring life cycle cost of tablets over the year should be considered, before choosing the one for your needs. Essential tips to use a water bottle cleaning tablet. The most effective way of using a water bottle cleaning tablet is to identify the areas of its application. If you want to clean reservoirs, mugs, dishes and plastic containers at home, then tablets with an instant fast-acting formula will do the job effectively. However, if you want to use these bottle cleaning tablets on the go, then the ones which are packed individually, and can be used anywhere with ease are preferable. With such products, you simply need to rinse clean the water-filled bottle, after dropping a tablet in it. If you are very conscious about the environment, and want freedom from chemicals and bleach additives, then a biodegradable bottle cleaning tablet is your best bet. In total, these tablets feature a lot of options to the discerning buyer, to fulfill multiple needs while cleaning everyday products. Conclusion. In summary, plenty of water bottle cleaning tablets that fight bad odor and kill germs are available for all kinds of containers. These tablets not only eliminate the need for a bottle brush, but also ensure minimal effort to clean narrow neck bottles in a jiffy. We can safely say that the highest quality tablets will always keep your bottle brand new and fresh in all those travel and camping trips. It is personally of great convenience to be able to clear nooks and corners of my container without as much as a sweat on my forehead. You can now choose to keep your everyday bottles and containers in spotless hygiene without harming the environment in any manner. So, that's it from our side. Let us know your views in the comments section down below. Also, please don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video and we will see you next time.